What is a masquerade attack? In this video, we will try to understand that. A masquerade attack is an attack in which an attacker impersonates a legitimate source and launches a cyber attack with a fake identity. For example, let's say attackers have infected a computer within a corporate network with malware. The attackers have installed a keylogger on the system and stolen sensitive credentials. Now, attackers can exploit the stolen sensitive credentials and impersonate the victim whose credentials are stolen. So, in other words, attackers can easily log in using the victim's stolen credentials, take the victim's identity, and launch a cyber attack. For example, attackers can use malware to send phishing emails to other employees of the company from the victim's account. This is an example of a masquerade attack. Attackers can also exploit weak credentials or default credentials and gain access to a system in a masquerade attack. In another type of masquerade attack, attackers can use a fake network identity and launch a cyber attack like a DDoS attack. Attackers can send lots of requests to a target host by spoofing the source IP address of each packet. The sent requests can overwhelm the target host to the extent that the requests take all the network bandwidth or computational resources of the target host and make the target host unavailable for its intended users. Here, the attackers masquerade the network identity such that it becomes difficult to detect the actual source of the attack. How to prevent masquerade attacks? Users should not use default credentials or weak credentials. Users should always use a strong password and never share the password with others. Use two-factor authentication whenever possible. If a user uses two-factor authentication, then attackers cannot access the account of the user even if they have access to the password of the user, provided the attackers do not have access to the other factor of authentication. Please do not click on any link or open an attachment to an email if you are unsure about the authenticity of the email. And one should take all measures to protect servers from DOS and DDoS attacks. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.